Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Pentair IntelliBrite 5G Color Underwater LED Pool Light, 12-volt, 50-foot cord. Pentair IntelliBrite 5G Automated Color Changing Pool Light Feature LED technology is the wave of the future in energy efficiency, lifetime value, quality of light, and controllability. With IntelliBrite 5G, combinations of individual colored LED are mixed and matched to achieve a vibrant spectrum of colors. These combinations are power sequenced to illuminate and cycle through colors at varying speeds and sequences of color. Features: IntelliBrite is one of the brightest and most energy-efficient pool lights. A superior reflector design can provide wide beam pattern or narrow beam pattern, 5 predetermined fixed colors, and 7 popular color shows. The item is 12 volts. Read the instructions before installation and use. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.